Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is about BMSIT Bangalore, BMS Institute of Technology. I'm going to talk all about the fees and the hostel details. So as you know, this campus is located in Yelahanka, which is a massive 22 acres campus, and this is actually 75% green campus with lot of lawns, mini forest, trees, parks, gardens. So this is one of the picture of the main campus, quite green and beautiful. And now talking about the life at BMSITM, sports, lot of amenities are there for indoor and outdoor sports, multi-gym facilities, and they participate in regular tournaments. Talking about the hostel facilities, they have a separate hostel for boys and girls, and institute controlled PGs for boys and girls are options are also there. So also I'm sharing the hostel email ID and hostel queries number. You can get more details. So BMSIT hostels has basically 4 blocks. 3 blocks are for boys hostel and they are inside the campus. But one of the block for boys hostel is outside the campus, and this is residential area Yelahanka fourth phase. But for the girls stay is outside the campus. It's 4 kilometers away from the campus. So girls hostel is not within the campus. That is very important thing. So boys hostel, as I mentioned, on campus. A block for first year, B and C blocks reserved for senior engineering students. And the girls hostel, one off campus block located Yelahanka 4th is approximately 4 kilometers, but they provide a free bus transportation services for all girls commuting to the campus from the hostel. So talking about total hostel capacity is around 622, and they provide hostel facility for girls staying outside, and they have also international students who come under NRIPI category where they have the hostel facilities. Now in terms of the dining facilities in the hostel, so there are separate dining halls for international as well as Indian students. The dining halls are hygienic and vegetarian and non-vegetarian, both options are available, and the kitchen is well equipped with all the cookwares and the skilled cooks. Now talking about the curfew timings, strict curfew timings for girls, the in time in the hostel is 7 p.m. So after 7 p.m. girls will not be allowed in the hostels. For the boys it is little bit relaxed for 8 p.m. So right, so 1 hour more relaxed compared to the girls, right? On the Sundays it is relaxed for both. And now mess schedule, like 7:45 a.m. to 8:45 a.m. you get breakfast, 12 p.m. to 1:45 p.m. you get lunch, and dinner is between 7:45 to 8:45 p.m. So that is for the regular days, but there will be no dinner on Sunday. Yes, correct. Sunday evenings there will be no dinner, and you have to be doing your dinner outside. Amenities and facilities in the rooms, you will get furnished with a bed, study table, chair, and the wardrobe. And you get hygienic automated mess serving both North Indian and the South Indian cuisine, as well as vegetarian and the non-vegetarian. You get solar hot water, power backup, Wi-Fi, washing machine on every floor, and there are recreational gym, dedicated gymnasium, sports grounds, and the media room in the campus hostels. So these are some of the pictures. For example, this is the picture of the dining hall 1, and this is the actual dining or sitting area for the foods. This is one of the picture of their gymnasium on the campus. This is another picture of the media room where we can watch TV and a newspaper. And this is one of the rooms bed pictures. And these are some of the cot and the tables, right? So
if any student or parents are looking for getting the right guidance for selecting the right college, right course based on their preferences, so if you want to avail this personalized counseling services, basically choice filling order and will be provided, as well as 30 up to 30 minutes you can talk, basically connect with phone and WhatsApp this number. So to avail this service you have to pay 2000 rupees as scanning this code, and we can start the discussions.
So coming back to the fee structure of the hostels, so there are 3 type of hostels and the rooms. First one is basically BMSIT hostel NH. NH is for normal rooms, where if you see in this category, for vegetarian, non-vegetarian, there is basically accommodation 73,000 rupees including security deposit, and for the food veg non-veg it will be 80,000. So total charges will be like 1,54,000. So this is basically the sharing room, and special rooms are there, right? There where BMS City Hostel special room, non-veg, veg, both category accommodation charges increases to 1,01,000, but they have the attached bathroom in the room, and plus vegetarian, non-vegetarian food 80,000 rupees. So total budget will be 1,82,000 if you want attached bathroom. In the normal room, there is no attached bathroom; it's a sharing bathroom. And the last one is called the BMSIT ICD special room for the international students. So again here the for vegetarian non-vegetarian options it will be like 1,92,000 put together for the food, right? So if you have more details you can talk to hostel admission in this number. So that's all complete detail. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe channel to get similar updates. Take care and bye.